Hello students, in today's video lecture, I will discuss the remaining part of our last chapter, that is marine pharmacognosy. In that, next category of novel agent isolated from marine sources are anti-cancer or cytotoxic drug. The term anti-cancer is emoted and can build up a false of or cause of millions of cancer suffer. So in investigator in National Cancer Institute program have used the term cytotoxic, anti-tumor and anti-cancer to describe the activities of various compound isolated according to the definition. So first one is cytotoxic drug. The cytotoxic are the agents that shows toxicity or kill tumor cell in vitro and toxicity transferred to the tumor cell in vivo, that is known as anti-tumor. A cytotoxic are the agents that shows toxicity or kill tumor cells in vitro and toxicity transferred to the tumor cell in vivo, that is known as anti-tumor. So cytotoxic agent shows toxicity in cancer cell in vitro condition, and if the toxicity transferred to the tumor cell in vivo, then we call it as anti-tumor. Cytotoxic agent shows toxicity in cancer cell in vitro condition, and if the toxicity transferred to the tumor cell in vivo, then we call it as anti-tumor. And finally, after getting a positive result and considering the risk then ratio of this drug in vivo, if it is gone through the clinical trial phases, then the term anti-cancer is reserved for the material which toxic to the tumor cell in clinical trial. We call it anti-cancer. So most of the drug shows initial cytotoxic effect, and they also show some in vitro activity, but due to high toxicity, some of the drugs are removed from the further clinical trials. Let's see some potential drug obtained from the marine source having this type of activity. So first important drug is bryostatin, which is obtained from the animal, that is Bugula neritina, a kind of bryozoan. Drug is bryostatin, which is obtained from the animal, that is Bugula neritina, a kind of bryozoan. Several bryostatin compounds are reported from the sponge, also which is a polypherol, that are obtained from the tunicate. Previously we discussed about it, the tunicate in first part. So which is a kind of tunicata in many animals. So these are bryozoan 1 to 18, which mainly used for the cancer leukemia. So it show anti-leukemic activity. The mechanism of action that also treat bone marrow failure. So it stimulates the human hematopoietic cell. Bryostatin 1 also trigger the activation and differentiation of peripheral blood cells from lymphocytic leukemia patient, that stimulate or activate the peripheral blood cells in lymphatic leukemia patient. Not only that, it also activates the protein kinase and arachidonic acid metabolite release, which helps in immunocancer therapy of this particular patient. Bryostatin 1 and 2 also enhance the efficiency of interleukin 2 in initiating a prime cytotoxic T lymphocyte, which is very essential for enhancing the immunity in the cancer patient, and using this immunity they can also kill the cancer cell. So here you can see the structure of bryostatin 1. Bryostatin 1, you can see the structure. Next is dolastatin, which is obtained from the sea. Here, see the image of these particular, see here, Dolabella auricularia. It is a several dolastatin isolated from severe, that are dolastatin 10, dolastatin H, isodolastatin H. So here cyclic or linear peptide and dipeptide, and it shows cytotoxic activity. Another compound is polypropionate, aripyrone A, isolated from Dolabella auricularia. One important alkaloid, ectenacidins, is isolated from another tunicate. So Ectenacidia turbinata, which is actually useful for supporting treatment and that enhances lifespan of mice inoculated with the P388 cell. The lymphocytic leukemia, when the cell line is injected in the mice is suffering from the particular cancer. But when the drug is induced in a particular group of mice treated with the cell line, and it is observed that their lifespan is increased. So here you can see the particular image of these Dolabella. Then next drug is nifurtacin D, which is another alkaloid isolated from the extract of Nifurtaceae species. It is kind of sponge. Another compound is obtained from Stellata globostellata, is globostellatic acid. So that are triterpenes, and that shows the cytotoxic activity. So a novel diterpene, xenicum, isolated from the Xenia elongata, soft coral which have the ability to prevent or stop mitochondrial respiration of cancer cell. If mitochondrial respiration is prevented, cancer cell cannot survive for long time. Another compound which is obtained from coral Nephthia, that is Lernaburoside, which is actually 5-alpha reductase inhibitor. It is active against a prostate cancer as a supporting treatment in a prostate cancer. Testosterone, that is normal physiology. Testosterone connected with the help of alpha reductase into dihydrotestosterone, and ultimately the level of testosterone is being reduced. But if 5-alpha reductase is inhibited by this particular drug, that is lernaburoside, that can prevent conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. So you can see the structure of Xenia elongata. These are the image you see, that is Xenia elongata. Next category of compound is antimicrobial compound. And you know that various antibacterial, antifungal drug, they are obtained from the ocean or marine sources. So cephalosporin, which is obtained from marine fungi, Cephalosporium acremonium. So another compound is istamycin A, which is produced by fermentation of marine Streptomycetes, Streptomyces tangerines. Broad spectrum included aminoglycoside resistant bacteria. So it acts on both gram negative or gram positive bacteria. Next category of antimicrobial, that are basically sesquiterpene, which is nitinin and furospongin, in which is isolated from the sponge Spongia nitens and Spongia officinalis. So these are the antimicrobial compound. Then next, that is unicin, another cyclic antibiotic compound obtained from the Unicea mammosa. Then next, zonarole and isozonarole obtained from the brown algae Dactylopteris zonaroids, which act as an antifungal compound. These are the antimicrobial compound obtained from the marine source. Next, we will discuss about anticoagulant from the marine source. So basically these are the polysaccharide which are obtained from marine algae, acts as anticoagulant. First compound is sulfated galactone obtained from the Iridia laminaroides, which shows anticoagulant activity. Then second compound is carrageenan, that is classical drug obtained from Chondrus crispus. This show inactivation of thrombin activity by inactivating the thrombin. Then next drug is fucodine, which is isolated from brown algae Fucus vesiculosus. It shows anticoagulant activity by antithrombin effect, and that effect is mediated heparin cofactor 2. Here you can see the complex structure of fucodine complex, polysaccharide structure, that is actually fucodine derivatives. Then next class of drug, it is cardiovascular agent, which are obtained from marine sources. Basically here we will discuss about certain drugs that shows direct cardiotonic activity, that means that enhance the force of contraction of a heart, regularize the rhythm of heart. We also discuss about the hypotensive and antihypertensive drug, and some other drug that regularize the effect of or the adrenergic and cholinergic effect on heart. So first drug is anthopleurins, which is actually a peptide obtained from coelenterate animal Anthopleura xanthogrammica. Anthopleurin A and B is very important, and anthopleurine C is obtained from the Anthopleura elongatissima. It shows positive inotropic effect. Basically its effect is not mediated like blocking the sodium potassium ATPase pump. That effect is actually shown by the digitoxin of the digoxin or digitalis glycosides. But here the drug is actually shows extracellular voltage gated sodium channel blocking. So it shows or it blocks the extracellular side of the voltage gated sodium channel. It does not interfere with the sodium potassium ATPase. So it shows more activity than digoxin and along with less toxicity. So here you can see the green color coelenterate Anthopleura xanthogrammica plant. Next compound is obtained from the particular Pacific hagfish, that is Iptatrine stoiuti, and the compound is iptaterine, which is all obtained from the annular bronchial heart of Pacific hagfish Iptatratus stoiuti. It shows potent cardiac stimulant activity and it directly acts on mammalian myocardium heart muscle by epinephrine production. So it shows potent cardiac stimulant activity and directly acts on mammalian myocardium heart muscle by epinephrine production. So next category of drug molecule is laminin. Laminin is amino acid obtained from marine algae Laminaria angustata. It is basically kind of a drug brown algae. It shows potent hypotensive effect and that effect may be mediated through ganglionic blocking. Next is obtained from the octopus D-octopamine, which is amine found in salivary gland of Octopus vulgaris. Octopus macropus, it shows adrenergic effect from the cardiac muscle. So saxitocin obtained is another compound which is obtained from these buttercam, Saxidomus gigantissimus. It shows hypotensive activity by selective sodium channel blocker by blocking effect. Next, another beautiful compound, autonomium. Autonomium, see the structure of autonomium, and you can find the similar structure, the structural similarity with acetylcholine and norepinephrine. So we called it as isoelectric structure. So autonomium is obtained from Varangia fistulaceae, having isoelectric structure. That means the similar structure with adrenaline and acetylcholine, both the structures similarly observed. So it produces both the alpha and beta adrenergic and acetylcholine effect on the heart. So it's actually glance effect of adrenaline and acetylcholine in the heart and regularizing the function of heart. Then ATX2 is obtained from C. anemone, which shows cardiotonic activity. The next compound is halothurine and asterospocins. These saponins is obtained from the sea cucumber and also obtained from the starfish. So halothurium shows the positive inotropic effect on the heart. That is actually cardiotonic effect on the heart, that enhance the cardiac muscle contraction and regularize the heart beat. So spongosine, which is obtained from the Cryptotethya crypta, it is reduces the heart rate. Next category of compound anti-inflammatory, which are obtained from marine source. First, anti-inflammatory compound means that reduces the inflammation. So first compound is pseudoterosine, which is a diterpene glycosides obtained from the Caribbean octocoral, and shows anti-inflammatory activity compared to endomethacin. So it shows an anti-inflammatory activity which is compound with non-steroidal inflammatory drug endomethacin. So marine biindole, you can see the marine biindole structure obtained from the Rivularia firma, that also act as anti-inflammatory activity. Another compound is manolide, which is a kind of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug obtained from Lufariella verbalis sponge, and it prevents the phosphokinase A. By preventing phosphokinase A, it shows anti-inflammatory activity. In this discussion, the last category of drug, we will discuss novel agent, that are prostaglandin. So prostaglandin, kind of compound which has a variable bioactive role or physiological role in mammals, and these are considered as econocide compound. So basically two prostaglandins, that is prostaglandins A2 and prostaglandins F2 alpha, shows oxytocic effect and that stimulate the uterine muscle, prevent the postpartum bleeding and delivery of the child by inducing the labor pain. So that is actually obtained from 15 EPI PG prostaglandin A2, which is in high amount present in a particular marine soft coral, that is Plexura homomella. So this compound isolated from the Plexura homomella. Then PGE2 is isolated from Gracilaria ergi. So in this discussion we have seen definition of marine pharmacognosy, its important problems associated with the marine pharmacognosy. We also discussed the classical agent obtained from the marine pharmacognosy. Then we discussed the novel antiviral, cytotoxic, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant, cardioactive agent and prostaglandins, and we also seen the sum of the drug shows potent activity, but due to the high toxicity that they are not further available in market. So these all about the marine pharmacognosy. Then thank you and happy learning.